Hey, what's going on, everybody? I hope you are all fine. Codito is back. Okay, just kidding. So guys, this is a full stack dynamic contact form. We are using here React.js for front end, back end. For back end, we use Node.js, Express.js, and Node Mailer for sending as a transporter for sending a message to our Gmail. So I updated this contact form, and I created two amazing extra video of this tutorial, which in reality I'm gonna show you how to post to deploy it on Heroku and have a dynamic full stack contact form, and also something very important, how to save a full stack with React and Node or a MERN project on GitHub. These are something which will not find easily on YouTube or somewhere else. This all project will be on Udemy, guys. I'm gonna put a special price of almost 10 euro on Udemy with coupons, and it will last only for I suppose 4 days. When the 5 or 4 days will expire, then you have to take it in another price, guys. So if you want to learn how to deploy the full stack, also to make this full stack you have to take this course. I'm not telling you in order to pay the amount of the cost, but remember, guys, one thing. Here you will learn how to deploy it on Heroku. Okay, will be a dynamic website, dynamic contact form, and how to save it on GitHub. Two important things. By doing this, then you will use these abilities to create, to save and deploy it in every website that you create. Okay. Also something very important. You will have the ability to put this contact form in every website, guys. For this reason, I focus only on how to create this contact form, how to deploy it on Heroku, and you have a dynamic contact form, and how to save it on GitHub. For example, you want to download it from GitHub. Okay, very cool. This is how to learn how to save it. Okay, here is, we got this contact form on Heroku. Look now, it is online on Heroku. If I reload, you see it is online on Heroku now, right now. Okay, I'm gonna close for Heroku. Here is in our topic, in our PC. Okay, this is a dynamic, a full stack contact form. Okay, look here. What I'm gonna do? I'm gonna go to my Gmail, cool. Get inside to my Gmail, beautiful. Now, okay, I have to messages, just delete. Cool. Right, if I, let's say Codito, last name, let's say Call, for example. Okay, email, I'm gonna put a admin something by chance. Okay, hello, let's say Codito. Hello Codito, and bam 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 bam, bam this dot. Okay, I'm gonna send the form right now. You will see here one. You will see one here coming. Let's send it. Cool. Look here right now. Message has been sent and boom, one. We got it. Message from Codito. Cool. Hello Codito. It's what we wrote here. Okay, cool. Okay, don't want that. I'm gonna delete it. Cool. If I write something else, look, it's not gonna work because we have to fill another fields here. Cool. Right. I'm gonna close it right now. Okay. Here are the files. Okay. Updating. Okay, don't worry. So guys, as I told you, it's a good chance for you to learn how to create a contact form, a dynamic full stack contact form, and you can put it in every website that you create with React and Node, for example. Here you can see also two important things which will be on Udemy, and also this contact form, how to deploy it on Heroku in details, step by step, believe me, and something very very important, how to save it on GitHub. Why? Because in the future maybe you want it to download it. You don't have it on your PC and you want to just download it and use it. You can download all the files from GitHub, and then what to do? Just install node modules, npm install, and boom, and npm start or run dev, and boom, everything okay. Your application will start. It's a chance for you. Okay guys, for 10 euros now. You just go and take projects which have some stupid container, how to create animations and this with HTML and CSS, and you don't want to take a full stack contact form. Go and search on Udemy and you find 100% that you will not find a video, a course like this. It's your chance. You will not find. No one shows you how to create it. Even on YouTube, there is no. You can find a tut like this, a complete tut of how to create a full functional contact form, and also how to deploy it on Heroku and how to save it on GitHub. You will not find it. Believe me, I'm 100% sure because I searched, because I create. No one is gonna show you these steps. Here is your chance. Go and take it. Okay, now I'm gonna tell something else. You go and take some stupid tutorial, not all of you, okay? From, I don't want to judge others people, but I saw the contribution. Let's say for DevEd. It's not a bad guy, okay? He's a funny guy, but guys, now he has so many subscribers. I saw what he's created, some animation, some transition, some tutorials for beginners, I say, to-do list, and generally some design with Figma. Okay, if you want and you are happy with these things, go and take it, do these things. But then if you go and search for a job and say to, for example, the responsible guy, I know this transition, do you believe that it's gonna take you with these transitions? Of course not, guys. You have to know more things. More things. You have to know in depth React. You have to know, let's say, Node.js, a backend language. Important things. I'm not telling you this in order to take the project. You are not obligated to take it, okay? but you can understand by yourself what is important. And many of you, maybe you've gone in interviews and you saw what all managers IT wants to have, what ability they want from you. Okay, so guys, I'm not gonna focus a lot in this talk. You can just go and take it. I'm gonna put a link if you want. Also, I want to tell some another things here, that I'm not going to make any more big projects. The current project that is gonna come is a shopping cart with a React Redux. I'm gonna explain you how to use a Redux, how to create a shopping cart with a Redux. Okay, because I told you in the past that I'm gonna do this tutorial. It's a big tutorial because we have many functionalities, like the previous project with shopping cart. We use the classic way with class-based components. It's not bad, guys, using don't listen to another guys. Okay, it's cool knowing the new things. Okay, like hooks and the Redux. The most important thing is to know how to create things, guys. Okay, we are gonna make tutorials with hooks and the Redux. The reason that I'm not going to make big projects, because I have so many big projects. Many guys goes there, attend it, and don't even subscribe or push the like, guys. These things are the only thing that I wanted for many guys. Okay, I respect that many of you subscribed and liked. Thank you very much from my bottom of my heart from these things. But guys, if no one subscribes and push the like, there's no reason making big projects. You understand? Okay. This doesn't mean that I'm not going to make tutorials. I'm gonna make tutorials, but very small projects, very small tooth this time, guys. And everyone who wants really to learn how to create big projects, because my personal opinion, I already told you, is that you can learn things only from big projects. This is how it works. With only small tools you are not going to learn. You have to implement it. Okay, that was, guys. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Have a nice day.